20 years ago this week, President Bill Clinton signed legislation backed by both the Democrats and Republicans that ended the federal guarantee of welfare assistance to the poor, a program that had been established in 1935 during the Great Depression. Under the Orwellian name of welfare reform, millions of single mothers, poor children, disabled workers, and the unemployed were tossed off the welfare rolls and deprived of any source of income. Many were forced into low-paying part-time jobs, while others went into outright destitution. One figure sums up the human cost. Between 1996 and 2011, the number of U.S. children living in families with income of less than $2 per day per person doubled. While Clinton demanded personal responsibility from the most vulnerable sections of the population, he provided unlimited welfare to the super rich while lifting all regulations on the Wall Street banks, including the repeal of the Glass-Steagall Act. President Clinton's wife, Hillary Clinton, fully supported these brutal measures. In fact, the Clintons were major figures in the Democratic Leadership Council, which repudiated any association of the Democrats with past social reforms and shifted the party to become the leading party of Wall Street. During his nearly 8 years in office, President Obama continued and escalated the social counter-revolution against the working class, slashing wages, shifting health care and pension costs onto the backs of workers, while providing unlimited money to the banks and to the stock markets. Regardless of who wins the elections in November, Clinton or Donald Trump, the war on the poor and the working class as a whole will be escalated to pay for the Wall Street bailouts and the new and even more devastating wars that are being planned. The Socialist Equality Party rejects this. My running mate, Niles Nemeth, and I insist that everyone must be guaranteed an annual income to meet all basic needs. We call for a massive program of public works to hire the unemployed and rebuild the country's crumbling infrastructure. To pay for this, we call for a massive redistribution of wealth, the nationalization of the major banks, and the confiscation of the ill-gotten gains of the financial aristocracy. The Socialist Equality Party is fighting to unite all workers of every race and nationality in the U.S. and internationally in a common fight for socialism and against the capitalist system, which is the source of poverty, inequality, and war. We urge you to support our campaign today.